Hello everybody, this is Nancy from AU Group Electronics. Recently we received a broken gauge control module and a broken engine nozzle pressure gauge. The serial number for this gauge control module is 2020101 and the part number is 0041124. For the engine nozzle pressure gauge, the part number is 0036899 and serial number is 2217766. This engine nozzle pressure gauge has been rebuilt, but the gauge control module is beyond repair, so we have a new gauge control module for the replacement. The new gauge control module has the same function and same connector. All the pin out are identical, but a little bit smaller in size. Now I'm going to use a customized test fixture to test the gauge control module, and use the gauge control module to drive 3 different gauges. Now the pointer for the engine nozzle pressure gauge is pointing to 125. Let me turn on the backlight. The backlight is on. Now let me move the pointer on the engine nozzle pressure. Now the pointer is moving down. It moves 75 and keep going. Now let me move the pointer up. Now the pointer is moving up all the way to 125 again. So the gauge control module is working, and the engine nozzle pressure gauge is working. That's all for today. Thank you.